Have you ever set a goal that you're passionate about, but no matter what you do, things just don't seem to work out? It is frustrating, right? The problem isn't the goal, but it is the plan. Today, I will show you how to adjust your plan, stay focused, and achieve the dreams that matter most to you. The power of goal setting. Goals are the future we are striving for. They give our life direction and purpose. But here is the key. A strong goal isn't just about knowing exactly how to get there. It is about feeling it, visualizing it, and being willing to adapt your plans along the way. Why plans fail and how to adjust them. Sometimes the path we choose doesn't work. That doesn't mean the goal is wrong. It just means we need to change our approach. Think of it like sailing. When the wind changes, you don't abandon the destination. You adjust your sails. Strategy for goal setting and achievement. Visualize your goal. See it clearly in your mind. What does success look like for you? How does it feel when you have achieved it? Create a flexible plan. Break your goal into small steps. Focus on what you can do today, tomorrow, and next week to move closer to your dream. Be willing to adapt. If something isn't working, don't give up. Change your plan. Try a new strategy. Learn a new skill or reach out for advice. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins along the way. They remind you that you are moving forward, even when the journey feels slow. The role of communication in self-improvements. When you are working on a goal, it is important to communicate your vision, whether it is with a team, a partner, or yourself. Make it clear, simple, and easy to understand. A wise person knows that the best way to inspire action is to make their message palatable and motivating. The goal never changes. It is the plan that needs adjusting. Today, I challenge you to pick one goal that you have been struggling with and take a fresh look at your plan. What's one small change you can make to get closer to your dream? Don't forget to subscribe for the next episode, where you will explore more self-improvement skills like effective communication and stress management.